Hey everyone, and welcome back. I've just signed up for EngageBay and feeling a bit lost. In this video, I'll give you a quick tour of the dashboard so you know exactly where everything is. When you first log in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Think of this as your mission control. At the very top, you'll see the main navigation menu. This is how you switch between the four core modules: CRM, Marketing Automation, Sales, and Service Bay. On the left sidebar, you'll find quick links to the most important areas within each module, like contacts, deals, tasks, and campaigns. The center of your dashboard shows key widgets and reports. You'll see things like your recent deals, upcoming tasks, and email campaign performance. You can customize this view to show the stats you care about most. Up in the top right corner, click your profile icon to access your account settings, billing, and notification preferences. To add new contacts, create a task, or start a campaign, look for the bright green plus or create button. It's usually at the top of the screen in each module. And that's it. With this quick overview, you can confidently navigate from managing contacts to checking campaign analytics, all from one central dashboard. If there's a specific part of the dashboard you use most, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.